Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to deposit a check on Bank of America mobile app. Firstly, open the Bank of America mobile app on your smartphone, then enter your username and password to log in. On the home screen, look for the deposit checks option. Tap it to start the check deposit process. Tap front of check to begin. Hold your phone directly over the check and make sure it is within the guidelines. The app will automatically capture the photo, or you can tap the camera icon to take it manually. A green check mark will confirm the image was taken successfully. Tap back of check and repeat the process. Then before taking the photo, make sure you have signed the back of the check you have written for deposit only at Bank of America and their signature. Select Account and choose where you want to deposit the check. Tap Enter Amount and type the exact dollar amount written in the check, then tap Next. Double check all details, and if everything looks good, tap Submit. You receive a confirmation message that your deposit is processing. Bank of America will send you an email confirmation and you can check the status of your deposit on your account details. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Hello.